Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your very dear friend Ezebemuna Crafty Mom. So today we're going to be doing a floral decoration. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your floral decoration all by yourself using your cardboard papers. So I'm actually going to be using this embossed card. I'm going to be using this yellow embossed. So guys, let's go. The first thing you have to do is to get a white sheet and create your motif or a mold. A motif or a mold is a particular a one design that you're going to use to create more than one design to get the equal size and shape of the same design you're making. So here we're going to be creating 4 different motifs of 4 different sizes. So the first size is 10 cm, the second is 8, the third is 6, while the last one is 4. So it has to be 2 cm different. It has to be differentiated with 2 cm difference, and you cut it out. With this, you can duplicate as many as possible with this, having the same shape, the same size without making any mistake. So each of them so this is it. Each of them, this is what we are going to work with to get a particular design we want. So we won't have to make a mistake, maybe having a mistake of one being bigger than the other. So the next thing you have to do is to use the motif to create as many of this design as possible. So we're going to be creating 6. You're going to be having 6 of these sheets. So this is it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So with the other ones, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this, we're going to be creating 6 different sizes with the molds we've created initially. So that is it. This is the last one. The next thing we're going to do is to have our circle base. We have to make our base where we're going to put the flowers on. So after I had created, you can use any circular thing, but make sure it is as big as to accommodate the first big sizes, like these sizes. So you have to create your circular base according to the size of the flower you're creating. So this is it. Next thing we glue to the base. You have to be very, very careful in order not to ruin the base, or in order not to make it look unequal. It has to be equal. The spacing and everything has to be equal. So we're actually done with the 4 biggest size. We're going to be going with the 8 inches flower. So you're going to put in between the two 10 inches flowers in order to create a balance, okay? Like I'm doing right now. Put in between the big ones. So the next one we're going to be doing is putting the 6 inches flower design. So this is it. And the last one here is the 4 inches flour. Please, it's very, very important that you roll your sheets in order to get a curvy look. It will help to portray that, that floral details like I did here. Because if you don't roll it, it might look just blank. So you have to roll it up. So the next thing you have to do is to cut out a 3 inches black emboss to make your center flower. And this is what we're actually doing, the center flower. Leave it, you fold it equally and then cut with your scissors. Make sure they are as tiny as with this. You have a well or a beautiful flower. You don't have to cut it too big. Make sure it's as small as you can cut. So this is it. So next thing you do is to roll it up like I'm doing right now. When you're done rolling, you glue to in the center of the flower you've already made. And this is it. We have our flower ready. So this, you can make your black any color you want. This is actually the details of how you can make your flowers as many as possible. So now is to form it in a way that we want. I i think this would have been the perfect way to arrange it, but I didn't know until I finished arranging my floral designs. So next thing we have to do is to make out flower leaves. So you make a leaf, then cut it out. So we are done cutting everything out, and this is what it will look like. So I made about four of them of the same size. Now I made the black short flowers too. Now it's time to arrange everything. So now the final thing we're going to do is to arrange the leaves accordingly, because I did it how I did it. Okay, the way I did it was okay. The way I did it is putting the yellow leaves to the black flowers, the black rose, the black roses. Okay, yellow to the black and black to the yellows. So the next thing I had to create a base where I would gum it all together, because I don't want to nail them or hang them separately. I wouldn't want to ruin my walls, so I want to have a single nail for it. I did it in a way that I can hang it with two. I can hang it with the base. So guys, I use this pepper straws as a support to the leaves. The next thing I did here is to attach the leaves to the roses, and I attached the black leaves to the yellow roses, and the yellow roses to the black roses to the yellow leaves to balance the colors. So after attaching the leaves, I had to put the hook for hanging, and we're done with our design. Ta-da! So this is what it looks like after doing the floral. Okay, what it looks like with our floral design. Guys, what do you think about this? Is it a yes or a no for you? So if this is your first time of tuning to my channel, you're really welcome. Here I show you I do DIYs, so do well to subscribe, like, share to get your girl going. See you next time. Bye.